Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Merida look in Dress to Impress without VIP. So this DTI tutorial brings you a fierce and fearless Merida-inspired outfits using non-VIP items only. So if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So let's start with the hair. For the hair in here, I'm going to use this two hairstyles. You can go to the curly or feminine category and put on this two hair. First one in here and color it orange like this. This is the hex code that I'm using. You can copy it. And the second one is this one in here. Use the same color. So this is for the hair, and let's start with the outfit. So first I'm going to have to do women's sections, and first I'm going to put on this set, but here I'm going to toggle it to only the skirt. And now I'm going to change the color using this color in here. For the dress, you can copy it, the hex code like this, and then I'm going to put on this top. First color using the same color like the skirt, and the second one I'm going to make it this gold color for all of the details in here like this. And then I'm going to put on this sleeves, first preview blue, and the second one gold for the fur. And in here I'm going to put on these boots for the shoe. This one, just leave the color black. Then I'm going to put on the sleeves up here and change the color into the golden color in here. Okay, now let's move on. Here I'm going to put on this pants. Make the same color like the dress, like this, and change the material into matte. So now the dress will look like this. And in here I'm going to grab this bag, change the color into dark brown. And now I'm going to finish the look with adding some details on the sleeve. So I'm going to use this strawberry dress on the currency item to go it into sleeves only and change the first color into the blue one, this one color, and the details into gold. So now the look is done, and this is the Merida outfit from me in DTI. That's pretty much all. Don't forget to like if this look hits the bullseye, subscribe and click on the thanks for more fierce fits, princess inspo, and DTI outfit hacks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!